Hello everyone, hope you're feeling the good vibes. In this video, I will be showing you raw footage of a canoeing tour we took in Thailand in the islands near Phuket. I believe this is definitely a must-do if you travel to Thailand. At the beginning, you will see a bit of the boat trip, and then we hop on a canoe with a guide and we saw spectacular sights. And at the end of the video, we will be going through the dark caves, which was the best part. Hope you like this kind of video and thanks for watching. Cheers! Yes, the video is quite windy at the beginning, but it eventually goes away once we hop on the canoe.
Ça ressemble un peu à la James Bond.
Em bay nãy là đường lót nhỉ?
Chúng ta phải phải nuôi cái đấy
Hả?
cái nuôi cái trắng.
Đường lót được thôi á. Đấy nó mà phải rồi.
Thế là mới phảiนั่นเลย
Tellement beau.
Vraiment. Ouais. Oh man.
Qu'est-ce que tu fais vous?
Bên đây phải cái con đây này tập đây đi. Hả?